Hi everyone, as promised in my pack with me video, I'm going to share with you my skin and beauty products. Well, most of them that I pack with me on vacation. I'm not going to share with you things like razors and toothbrush and toothpaste because you know all of that anyway. These are some of my beauty favorites when I go. I try and streamline, find a lot of multitasking products, things that also feel more indulgent and spa-like so I can enjoy my beauty routine on vacation. So the first one, I don't know how to pronounce the name, I'll drop the link below, but it's the Queen of Hungary mist. It smells amazing, it's super refreshing and hydrating, and I will literally just, because it's travel size, take it with me on the plane, use it during the flight, after the flight, all day long on vacation before I do my makeup in the evening, just because it smells so good. I also carry lots and lots of these. They're little individual eye drops because I tend to have really sensitive eyes, especially when you get suntan lotion in them or at the end of the day. Just a really nice way to freshen up. And I don't even know what brand this are. Refresh, Optive, Lubricant Eye Drops, Allergen. It's just easy. I don't think it really matters which ones you take. Then suntan lotion, I have two different ones. So I love the It Hello Sunshine Invisible Hydrating Serum. It's an SPF 50 because when I said about multitasking, this acts as your serum, your moisturizer and your SPF in one, and it's also a makeup primer. So I will use this during the day and then I will use it at night if we're going out for an early dinner or cocktails and there's still daylight, because then it also works as my primer. I'm just going to put it on for you because I want to show you. Sorry, my lighting is not the best here because obviously I did not pack a ring light because that's just a little over the top. So that's just a really nice glow it kind of gives. It's really hydrating. If I want a bit of color correction and coverage, I will use the glow screen. I got the golden hour, which is a bit too dark with me. The only thing with this one is lovely in a dry climate like Vegas. I noticed here because it's so humid, it starts to, when I sweat, it settles in all my necklines, and that's just not a good look. So that's hit and miss. And then for the eyes, I do have a different SPF for the eyes. It's SPF 30, and I really like the applicator. It does take a little blending in, because can you see? Because it's got the zinc oxide in there, it is white, but I know all the dermatologists and skincare professionals say to use zinc sun care, and it is a mineral ally eye glow and illuminator, and it's water resistant. It actually, once you start blending it in, it blends in really nicely, and I use it a lot in a lot bigger area than my eyes, just because more is more when it comes to sunscreen. And in the daytime, depending how I'm feeling, I either top up with the Hello, or I'll go in with this. This is sold out right now. I hope it comes back in. It's again Soleil Toujours SPF 30, and it says Set and Protect Mineral Mist. So I will use this to keep my sunscreen topped up in the day. I'll use it on my part, and then I'll use it to set my makeup in the evening. So it's just such a good multitasking product. Then for the evening, I have Lendava Good Night. What I like about this, again, it's a serum, eye cream, and moisturizer in one. So rather than taking 3 different products, I take this, my husband and I are sharing this as well. So again, we try and share some toiletries to pack less. And then I have my Dawes Custom Cosmetics Clear Lip Gloss, and I will use this all day for extra hydration. It also has peptides in that encourage collagen production to help prevent fine lines, help keep the lips nice and plump, and there's no color. So I love that. For washing everything off, this is kind of like my spa-like product when I want that zen. It's their cleansing balm. It smells so good, and it just literally melts makeup off. So when it's somewhere hot and humid, or your skin's feeling dry from the air conditioning, too much sun, salt water, chlorine, it actually feels quite nice and hydrating rather than stripping the face when you're cleansing. Hair care. I just got, it's the first time I've tried it, it's Kerastase Discipline, because my hair dries kind of crazy and I don't like packing too many products. So I have a tiny little mini hairspray for slicking it back in a bun, and then another Kerastase product. It's a serum chromothermique that I spray in my wet hair, give it a bit of a scrunch and go. I'm not using gels, I'm not using any other product, just really, really simple. Then my tan is all fake, so I have Tan Luxe Body and Tan Luxe the face. I like traveling with it in the cardboard box to give it sun protection, because the last thing you want is this self-tanner spilling all over or breaking all over your clothing. So these are my go-to. I tend to put them on in the evening before I go to bed with moisturizer, just so I wake up hydrated, and in the daytime it's not going to work, you're going to sweat it off. And then I tend to bring a few different miniature perfumes depending on the scent I want. I love Helvetti because I got it when I was England last year and took it to Ibiza. It always reminds me of Ibiza now. So it's one of the things they say, if you're trying a new perfume, it's always fun to take it on vacation with you, because then afterwards, whenever you use it, it's going to remind you of that vacation. So I have a mini Miss Dior and a mini J'adore. So really, really simple. And then Tangle Teaser. If you don't have one of these, get yourself one of these, because honestly, it saves ripping out a ton of hair. And then the last thing I always pack, it's non-negotiable, it needs cleaning, is my Light Up mirror. I love it because honestly, it's hotel lighting is always the worst for doing makeup. It's foldable, it's packable, and I think it's about 20 bucks. So I'll link that below as well. Okay, that's literally it besides the essentials, but they're literally my favorite summer vacation skincare, beauty, SPF products. I'm gonna link them all below. I'm gonna go and do my face because we're off to dinner. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.